Have you ever pondered about the appearance of the future? Apple appears to have a glimpse into this future with the introduction of their latest technological wonder, the Apple Vision Pro. This isn't merely another gadget on the electronics store shelf, folks. This is a groundbreaking piece of technology that is on the brink of reshaping our digital landscape. The Apple Vision Pro is not just a brand, it's a declaration of a future where human experience and technology meld effortlessly. This is far beyond your typical tech product. It's a game changer. What sets the Apple Vision Pro apart is its unique features and cutting-edge design that elevate it above its competitors in the market. It's not only about its capabilities, but also the manner in which it performs them. The Apple Pro carries a level of sophistication and elegance that is purely unrivaled. It extends beyond being a mere device. It's an entire experience. The Apple Vision Pro is groundbreaking, it's innovative, and it's much more than just what it can do. It's about how it can revolutionize your life. Let's break it down and discuss the Apple Vision Pro in straightforward terms. Imagine a device that doesn't merely correct your eyesight, but enhances it, all with the power of technology and design. That's the Apple Vision Pro. Now let's simplify some of the tech talk. Augmented reality, or AR, might sound complicated, but it's just like putting a digital screen over the real world. Think of it as a pair of glasses that can show you extra information right in front of your eyes. That's what Vision Pro does with its AR feature. Next up is the adaptive display. It sounds high-tech, but it just means that the device changes its screen based on where you are. So, if you walk from a sunny outdoors to a dimly lit room, the Vision Pro adjusts its vision for you. It's like having someone who's always making sure you can see perfectly. Then there's machine learning. It's not about robots going to school, but about a computer that gets the more you use it. The Vision Pro learns what you like and dislike, and over time it gets better at understanding your needs. So when we say revolutionary, a tool that changes how we see the world. Game changer is about a device that changes our everyday lives. And cutting edge? That's just another way of saying that Apple is always thinking about the future. Simply put, the Apple Vision Pro is a device that makes us rethink what we thought was possible. In the swift-paced tech arena, the name of the game is innovation. With the arrival of the Apple Vision Pro, the bar for user experience has been significantly raised. Let's delve deeper into how it performs as a companion, a tool, and a gateway into a future where technology and humanity coexist. The Apple Vision Pro is not just a gadget, it's a personal assistant. The device's intuitive interface, combined with the seamless integration of Apple's ecosystem, offers a user experience that is second to none. Imagine starting your day with tailored morning briefings. The Vision Pro not only understands your commands, but it also anticipates your needs. From the latest news updates to your daily agenda and tailored weather forecasts, all personalized based on your preferences, making your morning briefing feel like a friendly chat rather than a digital report. When it comes to being a personal assistant, the Vision Pro shines. Its cutting-edge AI technology combined with a human-centric design makes it a powerful tool that simplifies your tasks and boosts productivity. It can schedule meetings, set reminders, and help manage your to-do list with ease, making it feel like an extension of the user. Beyond utility, entertainment, and relaxation are also key aspects of the Pro experience. The gadget can double as a companion for entertainment, playing your favorite songs, recommending movies based on your taste, or even guiding you through a meditation session at the end of a long day. Each interaction with the Vision Pro feels personal, almost like the device knows you. The Vision Pro is more than a device. It's a testament to Apple's dedication to blending elegance, functionality, and personalization. It's not just about the specs or the design, it's about the experience. The Vision Pro isn't just a personal assistant or an entertainment system, it's a companion creating a world where technology and humanity converge seamlessly. So, what lies ahead for the Apple Vision Pro? Can it genuinely mold the future? The response succinctly is a resounding yes. However, the real question is, what makes the Apple Vision Pro a game changer? The core of this revolutionary device lies in its sophisticated technological prowess. It's not just a piece of technology, it's an innovator of future, fueled by its advanced AI capabilities, machine learning, and augmented reality technology. Let's delve deeper into its AI capabilities. When you wake up in the morning, instead of reaching for your phone to check your schedule, you simply engage with your Apple Vision Pro. With its state-of-the-art voice recognition and AI, It not only updates you about your day, but also recommends the best route to your first appointment, factoring in real-time traffic conditions. Moreover, the Apple Vision Pro harnesses the power of machine learning to adapt and customize its responses and functionalities to your lifestyle. Imagine cooking with messy hands and needing to set a timer. Just prompt your Apple Vision and it sets the timer for you. It learns from these interactions, becoming an even more intuitive and personalized tool. Not to forget, it's also a pioneer in augmented reality technology. It's not just about displaying information, it's about enhancing our interaction with the real world. The Apple Vision Pro pushes the boundaries of what we can achieve with technology, gradually shaping our daily routines and redefining our relationship with technology. Looking beyond individual conveniences, the Apple Vision Pro is reshaping the tech industry as a whole. It's not just a product, it's a catalyst for change. By setting a high standard for technological innovation, it compels other companies to elevate their game and innovate. This drive for advancement propels technological evolution, leading to unimaginable breakthroughs. With each iteration, we can anticipate improvements in processing speed, AI, machine learning, augmented reality, and much more. We are transitioning to a world where our devices aren't merely tools but collaborators in our daily lives, empowering us to interact more seamlessly with the world around us. The power to architect the future is in its hands. So, we've embarked on an enlightening journey through the landscape of the Apple Vision Pro. It's a lot to grasp, isn't it? Right from the beginning, we've witnessed the birth of this technological marvel, a testament to brilliant minds and relentless innovation. We've unraveled the intricacies of tech lexicon, translating complex ideas into digestible pieces. Our exploration ventured beyond the creation of the Vision Pro, a story as captivating as the final product. Not only have we dived into the Vision Pro's making, but we also scrutinized its rivals in the high-stakes battlefield of technology, where only the strongest endure. However, the Vision Pro doesn't merely survive, it excels. It sets itself apart with its robust build quality, elegant design aesthetic, and unwavering commitment to privacy, features that put it leagues ahead of its competitors. And it doesn't stop there. With a plethora of advanced capabilities and a vision reaching beyond the present, the Vision Pro is affirmation that the future is indeed already here. If Apple has its say, the future is looking exceptionally promising. As we prepare to delve deeper into the astounding technology that powers the Apple Vision Pro, let's first step into the future. How does the Vision Pro influence the future of technology? How is it pushing the boundaries and driving other companies to step up their game? Imagine waking up not to the same old alarm clock on your phone, but to your Vision Pro. It knows you, understands you, and begins your day with a personalized morning briefing. It doesn't just tell you the day's weather, your meetings, and the latest news headlines. It also sets the mood for the day with your favorite morning melodies. This isn't the future, this is now, thanks to the Vision Pro. On your way to work, Vision Pro serves as your personal assistant, guiding through traffic, suggesting shortcuts, and reminding you of coffee breaks at your preferred cafe. At your workspace, it seamlessly becomes part of your workflow, helping you manage tasks, schedule meetings, and collaborate with your team. It's not just a device, it's your personal assistant that's shaping the future of work. As you wind down after a long day, the Vision Pro is there, ready to serve as your entertainment hub. From suggesting new music to streaming your favorite shows or guiding you through a meditation session, the Vision Pro is not just a device, it's your well-being hub. Vision Pro is setting new standards for other companies to strive for. It's not just shaping our lives, but also reshaping the future and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of technology. And now, let's delve into the amazing technology that's making all this possible. Let's explore the future as we step into the next scene. We delve into the heart of the Apple Vision Pro, exploring the cutting-edge technology that sets it apart from any other. It boasts advanced AI capabilities, not merely responding to commands, but understanding and learning user habits and preferences. This sophisticated AI evolves with every interaction, transforming the Vision Pro into a personal assistant, a digital companion, and technological marvel. Next, the Vision Pro harnesses the power of machine learning. It's not a mere device, but a companion that learns from you, tailoring itself to your lifestyle, work, and entertainment. This symbiosis of man and machine creates a relationship where both parties learn and evolve. Most notably, the Vision Pro's augmented reality technology it blends digital information with the real world, providing a unique experience that transcends the boundary between virtual and physical. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the Apple Vision Pro. It was a pleasure to explore it with you, from its conception, its features, to its competitors, and the revolutionary technology that powers it. We hope you've enjoyed this journey, the future, as much as we have. Your presence and support in our exploration of the cutting edge of technology are what keep us going. As we continue to bring you the latest in tech innovation, we encourage you to stay curious and stay inspired.